Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm excited. I had the idea that I wanted to start a series on my channel that I wanted to call Saturday Showcase. So for this new series, basically I want to share with you an up-close look at product in our catalogs. I don't know if anyone else is like me, but sometimes when I look through the catalog, I just feel like some products I can't get a good idea of what they look like. The catalog doesn't always do everything justice. And so it's really nice to, if someone has those products, give you a really close, up close look at those products so that you can see and get a better idea of how they really look in person, how they come packaged, a better idea of the size of things. Like that's something that I always think about when I'm trying to decide what I want to buy. So I thought if I have product that I think it would be really important for you to see up close, that you could benefit from, I want to share that with you to help you and to make your shopping experience better. So that is what Saturday Showcase is going to be all about. I don't know yet if this is going to be weekly, bi-weekly. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I know that today it's the first day. So I wanted to share with you some of the products that I purchased from the Love You Always. I keep just calling it Love Always, but the Love You Always suite. There were several things that caught my eye in here, and I was really interested to see what they looked like in person, particularly these hearts. I know they have measurements for you, but I'm not going to pull out a ruler every time I look at something in the catalog. I wanted to see what is the size really like in person. And these boxes, they look so tiny in the catalog. I know there's measurements, but I just wanted to see them in person. So I wanted to show you some of the products that I selected that stood out to me from this collection and give you a nice up-close view. So let's start first with the Love You Always Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper is absolutely gorgeous. It's foiled specialty paper, and it comes in Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose, and Sahara Sand. And you get 12 by 12 sheets. That means you get 4 of each of these single-sided foiled designs. It is gorgeous, so I wanted to show it to you up close and personal so that you could really get a good look at the pattern and just how pretty it is. So that is the Blushing Bride. Again, this is the Rococo Rose. This is the one that I used in my video tutorial the other day. If you saw my Valentine's card, so pretty. And then the Sahara Sand, and it looks like this. To me, this looks like silver foiling on this one. So hopefully you can see that. It's really pretty. Then we have the True Love Designer Series paper. So again, this is 12 by 12 paper. You get 12 sheets and you get 2 of each double-sided design. So here is the first design. I love black and white. Love it. This would be perfect to use your blends with as well. You could use this for so many occasions. And then the thing to remember about this collection is it doesn't have to just, I've already used most of this sheet. You don't have to just think Valentine's Day when you look at this collection. I feel like this would be so well suited for weddings, anniversaries, bridesmaids, projects and ideas like treat bags, 3D projects, cards, all sorts of love occasions. It doesn't have to just be, with Valentine's Day in mind. I love this black and white pattern. This one right here is so pretty to me. I mean, look at this. This would be so much fun to color with your Stampin' blends. Gorgeous. And we've got this really pretty Blushing Bride 3/8 inch metallic ribbon. It is beautiful, so I hope that you can see that. Really, really pretty. And it's got kind of a satiny feel to me. This is the other side of it. So pretty. And you get approximately 10 yards of this on a roll. And then next, we've got these heart charms. So you get 20 of these little heart charms in a container. And then I've just got my tweezers here so that I can show you. You have got a rounded, hopefully you can see that. You've got a rounded side. So this is the rounded side here. And then if you flip it over, this side is flat. And then just so you can get an idea of the size, this is, I've got my ruler here and you can see it's about 1/2 inch wide there. Really good size. Good mailable size for cards. And they are very lightweight. Then you've got these lovely matte black dots. I love black embellishments. Thought these were so pretty. I've already used a couple of them, but here's how they look up close. And you get so many. Let me see if it tells you how many. 160. And you've got small, whoop, I just dropped one. Oh yeah, I had taken this one off. I thought I was going to use a large one on my project the other day. But you get large ones, and then you've got small ones. Really great to have so many. And then I got the Love You Always treat boxes. So these come in 2 pieces. I was very interested to see how they come packaged. I am one of those people, I find packaging fascinating. I always look forward to seeing how our products come packaged. So it comes in 2 pieces. It looks a little bit complicated when you're just looking at them, but I will share a video soon that shows you how to actually assemble them. That wasn't quite a goal for this video, but I will show you. They come in the 2 pieces, but it's not as hard as it looks. Once I show you, they're not as difficult as they look to put together, but you get 10. And once you assemble it, this is what it looks like. It is a really good size. I mean, look at that. It's a really good size. So let's see, this is about 1, 2, 3, 4 inches in length and just under 3 inches wide. Really, really great size. So I wanted to show you, you can fit, just to give you an idea, this is our Stays On cleaner. Got the little bottle in there. And then I can also fit 2 re-inkers. I mean, that's really good space. That's a lot bigger than I was expecting. Let's make sure I have that there. A lot bigger than I was expecting. Look at that. I mean, it does bubble from the lid of that second re-inker, but still, put a belly band around that. That'll hold that down. Or some, ribbon. Really, really nice size box. So there's that, just to give you an idea. All right, so those are the products that really stuck out to me and caught my eye in the Love You Always collection. There are some stamp sets and some dies, some bundles available in that collection as well. But this is the product that caught my eye that I just really had to have. And I hope that these Saturday showcases will be helpful to you. So I'd love to know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if it is helpful to see some of the products really nice and up close so that you can get a better idea of what they look like and how they come packaged and sizing and all of those things. So let me know down below. And I do have all of these products linked down below in the video description with clickable links linked so that if you'd like to add them to your order today, you can. So thank you guys again for joining me, and I will be back very soon with a tutorial for you. Bye now.